idea, and then you can also communicate with the, or you can suggest them. Then okay, then set up a meeting or create a meeting to the specific mentor assistant to get the help.
Understand. Mhm.
Okay. Okay, so this is the most activities you have to do into your what it calls the sprint board. Now the next one is that you will have to create the retro board. So here you can see. So when you will create the retro board, so let's say this is the sprint is
Print
July
is over.
13,
Mm.
July 30 to August 13th, right? So it
Yes.
is ongoing.
Mhm.
So now today is like 1st August, right? So you are
Yes.
not going to create the retro board because retro will occur into the August 13th, right?
14th.
So
Huh?
what you will do, you will create a retro board on the August 10th.
14th. Same or
No,
okay.
August
10th.
10th.
So yeah,
13th.
before the like 3 to 4 days before of the
Oh,
Yeah,
sprint.
that was my question because I remember that before end of the sprint, you would have to have some time, like 2, 3 days
Yep.
in
So
your
yep.
hand to discuss
So
on
what
the
you will do,
retro.
you will create the retro board that time. Then you will share the link to their group. Okay, that hey, retro board is creating, retro board is created. So just complete your retro. Okay, so they will
mhm.
complete their retro between these 2 to 3 days.
Right.
Okay, and then the August 13th, when the retro meeting will happen, that day you will actually open the board this retro board, and then you will just go over this each feedback or each observation from your team members.
Hmm. I have one question, Pranto.
Yep.
So we create the retro board at least 3, 4 days before the end of the sprint.
Yes.
Then this retro board will open on the last day of the sprint for discussion, right?
Yes, absolutely, this is the plan.
Okay, so Amrita, did you get the technicalities here?
Sorry, I missed it. What did you say?
I said that we have to create the
No,
retro board,
I understood that thing. You asked me something. Did you get what was the thing?
and then on the last day of the sprint, we will open this retro board and get into the meeting with all the members. So
Yes,
there are
yes.
2 days.
Yeah. I know this thing because I used to like fill retrobot, yeah, in the beginning. So yeah, I know, but I didn't know this thing like we need to create retrobot like 2, 3 days before sprint ends, like that particular sprint ends. So now I understood. Yep. So yeah.
Yes, because that's like a common sense, because if we have
Mm-hmm.
some time in hand,
True.
create the retro board, then they can have the flexibility to update it,
Update it. Yep. Yep.
and then on the final date of the end of the sprint, we discuss
Mm-hmm.
everything.
Mm-hmm.
And I'll be taking more input from you since you did it before. I'm absolutely new on this.
Mm-hmm. Uh, Pranto, I always have a question on retro board.
Mhm.
If someone posts something like if I wrote something like regarding my project or went well or improve, and in case if I want to update the same thing, we cannot do it, right?
Okay, yeah, so that's the actually improvement like need to do from the
Mm-hmm.
development side. Okay, so yeah, I will talk about this with the developer to
Mm-hmm.
fix it or to add this functionality. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Yep. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So okay, so now let's create. So what we'll do now,
We'll go on
let's
Agile
give our
element, create a retro board.
organizations. So let's create an organization. So give the organization name is IT or
Bootcamp? No,
yeah, IT Bootcamp
July 2023, right?
July 2023.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So this organization will be managed by the Kazi and Amrita.
Mhm.
Okay. All of the bootcamp members will be added to this organization.
To maintain their task.
Yeah. And after then they will be added to their specific
Project.
project. Then the members will update their task
Under the user story.
retro to the project.
Mhm.
Okay. And the PO will manage their task. Task the
Manage the user story
manage the user stories, task,
and review the
ret
task, right?
yep, review the task, then create the retro board, manage the retro board,
We can
lead
add
the
create
retro
the
meeting,
sprint.
yeah, and also user stories, create the sprint,
Mhm.
create the user stories, task, review the task, create the retro board. Yep, right.
Mhm.
So this is the about of this
How
organization.
about managing the roadblocks too, right?
Yep. Okay, so this is the one, right? Okay.
Mhm.
So now, first of all, let me just create the project. But what you will do? Well,
We'll
let me
create
add
the
you first.
project.
So let me
Okay.
come to this organization settings. Then add user. So, can you just send me on the Zoom of
Mhm.
your Agile
Mhm.
ALM email address?
Kaji sir. Okay.
Sorry,
Mm,
I
no
was not
issue.
sure that which email. Then I double clicked and sent that one. Sorry for the
Okay,
delay.
so
Mhm.
no issue. So let me add it you. So you guys, like, can you check your email? You are supposed to get an email and get the link. So just simply click the link, then it will be like,
Activated.
yeah.
Mhm. Give me a second. Let me accept the link too.
Is it TS for you Agile invitation?
Mm,
Yes. So one of you
Yes,
just share your screen. Let me see.
I can. Yeah.
I already clicked on that.
Okay. So here is my email ID. I can show you. Give me a second. Sorry. Okay. So here is the email I received from TS for you. I clicked here.